You know, our kidneys are these incredible, hardworking organs that are filtering stuff for us 24/7. But are we ever really giving them the support they need? Well, today, we're going to look at how 7 super common fruits can actually become powerful allies for your kidney health. Let's dive right in.
So let me ask you this. Have you ever just felt off? Maybe a little more tired than usual, a bit swollen, and you just can't seem to figure out why? It might just be your kidneys sending out a quiet little signal that they could use some help.
And here's the really good news. You don't need some massive, complicated diet overhaul to help them out. Actually, the secret to supporting these amazing silent filters might literally be hiding in your fruit bowl right now.
Okay, first up, let's talk about what I like to call the berry protectors. Seriously, you can think of these fruits as the loyal guards standing watch over your entire urinary system. And we have to start with a true unsung hero, the cranberry. I mean, it's so much more than just a sauce you have at the holidays. This little berry is an absolute powerhouse for your urinary tract and kidney health. So what's the secret? Well, inside cranberries, there's this unique compound. It's a mouthful called proanthocyanidins. Its job is actually pretty simple, but it is incredibly effective. So, picture this. When bad bacteria try to get into your urinary tract, these compounds basically make the walls super slippery, like a non-stick pan. The bacteria just can't get a grip, they can't latch on, and they simply get flushed right out. This simple trick can stop infections before they even start, which takes a huge load off your kidneys. All right, let's move on to our next little protector, the small but oh so mighty blueberry. The magic in blueberries comes from something called anthocyanins. These are the powerful antioxidants that give blueberries that gorgeous deep blue color. But more importantly, they act like a tiny shield for your delicate kidney cells, protecting them from damage. And what makes blueberries just so great is that they fight inflammation, and they're naturally low in potassium, which is a big deal if you have kidney concerns. Plus, and this is a fantastic bonus, they also support your brain function. That's a total win-win. Okay, next up, let's talk about the inflammation fighters. You see, chronic inflammation is this sneaky, silent threat that can put a ton of stress on your kidneys over time. So these next few fruits are all about calming things down. And we're kicking things off with red grapes. They're way more than just a sweet, poppable snack. They are packed with something that gives you some incredible internal benefits. And that something is resveratrol. This natural compound is an absolute star when it comes to reducing inflammation and, this is crucial, improving blood flow. And better blood flow means your kidneys get more oxygen and nutrients, allowing them to work way more efficiently. Moving on to another fan favorite, strawberries. Of course, they're delicious, but they also deliver this amazing combination of nutrients that's just perfect for kidney health. I like to think of it as a power trio. First, you get vitamin C to boost your immune system. Then, you get all those antioxidants to protect your cells. And finally, you get fiber to help your body's natural detox process. All 3 of those working together just make your kidneys' job so much easier. And now, let's get a little tropical with pineapple. This fruit is really special because of a unique enzyme that it has inside. That enzyme is called bromelain, and it's a natural anti-inflammatory. What it does is help reduce swelling throughout your body, which lightens the overall inflammatory load, so it provides this indirect but really valuable relief for your kidneys. All right, our final group is the detox helpers. These are the fruits that actively help cleanse your system, which directly reduces the burden on your kidneys. They help ease that workload. And let's start with a fruit we all know and love, the humble apple. It might seem simple, but it's a quiet and incredibly powerful ally for your long-term kidney health. The secret here is a type of soluble fiber called pectin, and I just love this analogy. Pectin acts like a gentle little broom inside your body, sweeping out unwanted toxins and cholesterol so that your kidneys don't have to deal with them. Now this is super important. To get that amazing pectin, you have to eat the whole apple. Apple juice has almost no fiber, so you totally miss out on that cleansing effect. The takeaway here is really simple. Always choose the whole fruit over the juice. And for our final detox helper, we have the ultimate hydration hero, watermelon. It is so much more than just a refreshing summer treat. Watermelon really delivers a triple action punch. First, its high water content is amazing for flushing out toxins. Second, a compound called citrulline improves blood flow, which reduces strain. And third, the antioxidant lycopene helps fight off inflammation. It's a true kidney-friendly superstar. Okay, wow, we have covered a lot. So let's wrap all of this up with a quick reference toolkit that you can start using, well, today.
So here it is, a quick summary of our 7 kidney-friendly fruits. You've got the infection-blocking power of cranberries, the cell-protecting blueberries, and that detoxing fiber in apples. Each one plays its own unique and vital role. It really just goes to show how a varied, colorful diet can be your absolute best defense.
So really, the only question left is, which one of these powerful, delicious fruits are you going to add to your bowl today? Just making one small, simple choice can really make a huge difference. Thanks so much for joining me for this explainer.